Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to set up a twin bed frame using an easy method. First, carefully unpack all the components from the box. Lay them out on a clean, flat surface, perhaps a rug or blanket, to prevent scratches. Take a moment to identify each piece and compare it against the parts list in your instruction manual. This ensures everything is present and helps you visualize the assembly process ahead. Organizing now saves time later. Now, let's connect the main sections of your bed frame. Begin by attaching the two side rails to the headboard. Use the provided bolts and an Allen wrench, but only tighten them finger-tight for now. Next, connect the footboard to the other ends of the side rails, again, just finger-tight. This allows for slight adjustments as you assemble, ensuring everything aligns perfectly before you fully secure the connections. With the main frame assembled, it's time to add the crucial support for your mattress. If your frame includes a center support beam, install that first, usually running down the middle. Then, carefully place the wooden or metal slats evenly across the width of the frame. Many frames have pre-drilled holes or clips to secure these slats to the side rails. Fasten each one to ensure a stable and sturdy foundation for your mattress. You're almost done. Before placing your mattress, take a moment to go around the entire bed frame and fully tighten all the bolts and screws you previously left finger-tight. This ensures maximum stability and safety. Once everything is secure, carefully lift and place your twin mattress onto the newly assembled frame. Finally, make your bed with your favorite sheets and pillows and enjoy your comfortable new sleeping space.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.